Yes, students. In my previous lecture, I said about rational numbers. Rational number Q can be written as P upon Q, where P is an integer. P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to some I So, example, again rational number ऐसा है, rational number ऐसा है, and example root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational. तो root 2 हम लोग ढूंढेगा 1.414 ऐसा करके आएगा. ये this is continuing 1.414 ऐसा है. Or it is not recurring. It will go on and on. Now approximately value 1.414, but root 2 is an irrational number. Irrational number is a number which is non-terminating and non-recurring. Non-terminating and non-recurring. That's an irrational number. Root 2, if you find out root 2 in your calculator, or you actually find the root 2, you will find it as a continuously diagonal. Root 2 is an irrational number. Similarly, root 3 is an irrational number, root 5 is an irrational number, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10, root 11, they are all irrational numbers. Anything square root of perfect square, for example, square root of 9 equal to 3. 3 is a rational number. Therefore, root 9 is not a rational number. Root 16 equal to 4. This is not an irrational, this is a rational number. This is not a rational number, this is a rational number. Similarly, root 81 equal to 9. This is not a rational number, rational number. Whereas root 80 is irrational. You can square root of a non-perfect square. Root 23 is irrational, root 21 is irrational, root 16 is rational, root 9 is rational, root 25 is rational. So, root 2 is an irrational number, which you can always find. Now, prove that, so that 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Abhi, let 4 root 2 be a rational number. Indirect proof कर रहे हैं. हम prove करेगा कि our assumption is wrong. ऐसा नहीं. We are assuming that let 4 root 2 be a rational number. Therefore, 4 root 2 equal to P upon Q. Where P is an integer, Q is an integer, Q is not equal to 0, P upon Q is a rational number. Therefore, let 4 root 2 be a rational number. Rational number can be always expressed as P upon Q. Therefore, root 2 is equal to P upon 4Q. 4 से divided करेगा दोनों से. Now on the RHS, P upon 4Q equal to rational, because P is rational number, Q is rational number, Q is not equal to 0. 4, P upon 2 upon 4, this is the rational number. Therefore, root 2 is irrational number and this is rational number. Therefore, irrational number equal to rational number, which is wrong. Irrational number cannot be equal to rational number. which is wrong. Which is wrong. Therefore, our assumption that 4 root 2 is rational number is wrong. Is wrong. Therefore, 4 root 2 is a 4 root 2 is a irrational number. We assume that this is a rational number. हमको प्रूव करना है 4 root 2 is a irrational number. So we assume that it's a rational number and we prove that our assumption is wrong. 4 root 2 is a rational number is wrong. This indirect proof is like this. Prove that there is a wall here. If there is a wall here, I should be able to walk. I am not able to walk. Therefore, my assumption that there is no wall here is wrong. Therefore, there must be a wall here. So, ऐसा करना है को बोलते हैं indirect. Here we assume that 4 root 2 is a rational number. हमको prove करना है 4 root 2 is an irrational number. Let 4 root 2 be a rational number. Therefore, 4 root 2 equal to p upon q. Therefore, root 2 equal to p upon 4q. 4 से divide किया. But p upon 4q on the RHS, p upon 4q is a rational number. This is a rational number. This is a rational number. But whereas this is not a rational number. Therefore, irrational number equal to rational number, which is wrong. So, our assumption is wrong. 4 root 2 is rational number is wrong. We assume that 4 root 2 is rational number is wrong. It is not a rational number, therefore it is an irrational number. Right. First one is over. This is indirect proof. Same way. 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Similarly, let 3 plus root 5 equal to p upon q, which is a rational number. P upon q is a rational number. Therefore, root 5 equal to p plus p upon q minus 3. But p upon q minus 3 is rational. Root 5 is irrational. Therefore, irrational number equal to right side में rational number. Irrational number is equal to rational number, which is wrong. Which is wrong. Therefore, our assumption. What is the assumption? 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Let 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Assumption that 3 plus root 5 is a rational number is wrong. Therefore, p plus root 5 is a rational number. Therefore, 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. Okay. Right, we will go to the next one. Represent number root 5 and root 10 on the number line. The number line is like this. Number line is like this. We know root 5 is irrational number, root 10 is also irrational number. irrational number किधर ढूंढने का आप लोग? इधर है नहीं नंबर लाइन में, लेकिन इधर है नहीं बोले तो है, नंबर लाइन में है रूट 5, लेकिन हमको इधर दिखता नहीं है. इधर रूट 5 किधर है? रूट 10 हमको रिप्रेजेंट करना है. अभी पहला रूट 5. रूट 5 के लिए क्या करेंगे? 1 हो गया, 2 हो गया. First draw the number line. Number line. Let 1 centimeter equal to 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. ये 2 सेंटीमीटर का लेके नंबर लाइन बनाया. अभी रूट 5 हमको रिप्रेजेंट करना है. क्या करेगा? 2 take 1 unit perpendicular. The 1 unit is 2 unit. This also 1 unit. This is equal to this 1 unit. 1 unit. Yeah. Join O1. Join 0 1. This will be equal to root 5. कारण क्या है? This length is equal to root 5. Why this length is equal to root 5? We have Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem के लिए इधर O है, A and B. O, A, B. Now, OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. Pythagoras theorem, OA square plus AB square equal to OB square. Equal to OA कितना है? 2. 2 square plus AB is 1. We have taken this 1 unit. This is 2 unit. 2 square plus 1 square equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Therefore, OB is equal to root 5. So this is Pythagoras theorem we are doing. OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. 2 square plus 1 square equal to OB square. That is 2 square plus 1 square is equal to 4 plus 1 5. Therefore, OB is equal to root 5. Now this length is root 5. हमको शो करना है this length OB on the number line. On the number line इधर चाहिए. ये number line के ऊपर root 5 चाहिए. तो ये length लेने का इधर मार्क करो. तो otherwise ऐसे you take your compass और तुम लोग बोलते हैं राउंडर, उधर से एक आर्क बनाओ. ऐसा एक आर्क बनाया, सेम लेंथ इधर लाया. That point is root 5. So we have shown root 5 on that number line. Now we want root 10. Root 10 के लिए एक काम करते हैं हम लोग. root 10 के लिए 3 से चालू करेंगे. 3 से चालू करेंगे. So we will take a perpendicular here. Again, let us go C डालो. This is equal to 1. This distance is 1. और इधर से ऐसा करो, वो भी चलेगा. This is 1. This also is 1. Join OC. This point को हम D करेंगे. ये 90 डिग्री है. OC square equal to OD square plus DC square. Pythagoras theorem. OC square equal to OD square plus BC square. OD square कितना है? OD square is 3 square plus BC square is 1 square. 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1 equal to 10. OC is equal to square root of 10. This distance from here to here is root 10 by Pythagoras theorem. 3 square plus 1 square equal to yes. 3 square is 9, 1 square is 1, 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Therefore, OC is equal to root of 10. अभी वो नंबर लाइन में करने का है, ये डिस्टेंस लेके इधर मार्क करो। ये डिस्टेंस लेके इधर मार्क करने के लिए ऐसा लेके आओ, एक कॉम्पस लेने का और राउंडर लेने का। ये डिस्टेंस ऐसा लेने का और इधर लेके आएगा। This is root 10. This is root 5 on the number line. This is root 10 on the number line. Like that we can show any irrational number. Root 17 होगा तो 4 से लेकर कर सकता है, right? Fine. Okay, let's do this sum. एकदम बड़ा हमारा एक नंबर लाइन बनाया, क्लैरिटी के लिए बड़ा वाला बना रहा है। मान लीजिए इधर 0, जीरो हो गया, इधर 0, -1, -2, इधर +1। एक यूनिट 5 सेंटीमीटर ले लो, कितना भी सेंटीमीटर बड़ा वाला बना। ये बनाने का भी जरूरत नहीं है, एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए मेरे को चाहिए। एग्जामिनर को ये सब नहीं चाहिए, एग्जामिनर को चाहिए राइट एनी 3 रैशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन 0.3 एंड 0.5 वो लिखने का। ये नंबर लाइन उसका एग्जामिनर को ये नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए ये चाहिए। तो we'll mark 0.3 and 0.5. 0.3, the 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.9, 1. So इधर एक करेंगे हम लोग 0.3 इधर है और 0.5 और बड़ा बनाएंगे। ये 0.3 है, ये 0.5 है। One point between 0.3 and 0.5 is 0.4 is definitely between this. And between this and this, one more point you get. 0.45. Either one more point you get. 0.35. Definitely 0.35 is between 0.3 and 0.4. And 0.4 and 0.5 के बीच में है 0.45. ये मिल जाएगा। दूसरा मेथड में बताता हूँ। ये करने के लिए एक मेथड 0.3 एंड 0.5 के बीच में मिड पॉइंट लेना। मिड पॉइंट लेना जरूरी नहीं है, फिर भी half of 0.3 and 0.5, half equal to 0.8, half of 0.8 equal to 0.4. इधर आ गया हमारा 0.4 हो गया इजीली। इधर हमारा 0.4 हो गया। अभी ये हमारा दो पॉइंट है 0.3 एंड 0.4, उसके बीच में एक आ गया। और 0.3 एंड 0.4 का बीच में 0.3 और 0.4 का बीच में half of 0.3 and 0.4 equal to half of 0.7 equal to 0.35. इधर आ गया तुम्हारा 0.35, ये आ गया तुमको 0.35, ये 0.4 हो गया। अभी one more point between 0.4 and 0.5, वो आएगा half of 0.4 plus 0.5 equal to half of 0.9 equal to 0.45, इधर आ गया 0.45, एक हो गया, दो हो गया, 3 हो गया। So three numbers in between 0.3 and 0.5 are 0.35, 0.4, 0.45, three numbers हो गए। These three numbers are between 0.3 and 0.5. This and this. Three numbers. Now next. उसके बाद -2.3 and -2.33, वो एकदम इधर आ गया। Let us consider this as -2 and this as -3। ये तुमको ड्रॉ करने का जरूरत नहीं है, एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए बोलता हूँ। -2 and 2.3 and -2.3, -2.3 इधर आ गया -2.33, this is less than this, this is less than this, इसके बीच में थ्री नंबर चाहिए। वो करने के लिए मेथड इजली है, ये -2.33 है, -2.32 भी आ सकता है, -3.21 भी आ सकता है, ऐसा 2.331 भी हो सकता है। ऐसा तुम लोगों को अगर तकलीफ हो रहा है तो एक काम करो, इसका दोनों का बीच में पॉइंट ले लो, इसका दोनों पे एग्जैक्ट मिडिल में एक आएगा, हाफ ऑफ -2.33 and plus -2.3, इसका दोनों का बीच में इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ, दोनों ऐड करेगा तो -2.33 and 2.3 4.63, yeah, half of -4.63, so -2.315 minus, इधर आ गया एक पॉइंट, -2.315। अभी इसके बीच में एक पॉइंट मिलेगा तुमको, कैसा करेंगे, हाफ ऑफ -2.33 प्लस -2.315, ये दोनों ऐड करना है, -2.33 and -2.315, ये आएगा 5 आएगा, 4 आएगा, 6 आएगा, 4 माइनस हाफ ऑफ, ये माइनस इधर डाला 4.645, इसको 2 से डिवाइड करेगा तो -2.3225 -3.2225, इधर एक आएगा, इन दोनों के बीच में ये आ गया -2.3225, उसके लिए ये दोनों के बीच में हाफ ऑफ -2.315 प्लस -2.3 -2.315 -2.300 5164 minus half of -4.615 ये आएगा -2.3075 ओके। तो इधर आ गया फोर्थ नंबर, थर्ड नंबर -2.3075। सो ये दोनों का बीच में 3 नंबर चाहिए, एक ये आ गया, दूसरा ये आ गया, तीसरा ये आ गया। These are the 3 numbers between this and this. Simple है, half of this and this will give you half of this and this will give you the middle point here. Half of this and this will give you the middle point here. Half of this and this will give you the middle point here. That's as simple as that. See, ये exactly middle पर between बना तो किधर भी हो सकता है. Suppose A is here and B is here. Any point between A and B इधर भी हो सकता है, इधर भी हो सकता है, इधर भी हो सकता है, इधर भी हो सकता है. Infinite points are there. Actually, you can get plot infinite points between any two numbers. So अभी मैं ये मेथड में नहीं करता है, तुमको बताता है. अभी इसके बीच में 3 नंबर्स चाहिए. एक 5.2 है इधर और दूसरा 5.3 है. इधर एक नंबर आएगा 5.21, इधर आएगा 5.22, इधर आएगा 5.33, इधर आएगा 5.34, 5.24, 5.25. Before 5.3 you can get infinite numbers. कोई भी 3 नंबर लिखो. So I choose 3 numbers. 5.21, 5.22, 5.23. 3 numbers between 5.2 and 5.3. अभी next one. ये मेथड करने का जरूरत नहीं है. ये if you are able to confidently get this like this, then ऐसा भी कर सकता है. This is इधर बताता है, इधर -4.5, इधर -4.6 है ना. ये -4.6 इधर आएगा -4.5. -4.61, -4.6. इसका बीच में -4.65, -4.6, 5, 1, -4.65, 4.65 है ना, -4.652 हो गया. -4.65 ये 3 नंबर हो गया in between this and this. ऐसा सीधा देखिए किधर भी जितना भी नंबर चाहिए उधर मिलेगा. I hope you understood that. All right. I hope you have understood. कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. And so you are liking of this lecture and also you subscribe please.